Hello. Today, we will start with this video. The student in this test has missed the give-way line. The examiner asked the student to turn right at the end of the road. After mirror's signal, the student took right position, but when the student was approaching the give-way line and slowing down to be ready to check if the road is clear, a wrong stop position been taken. The student did not stop at the give-way line and went to the middle of the road. Here the road should be clear in the both ways so we can move without stopping in the central reservation. Also, the student was using wrong gear, so the car stalled in the middle of the road, and that caused restrictions for other road users. Now, the student is blocking the right side while waiting for the left side to be clear. We normally would give more attention to the road marking, as that would guide the driver to make correct actions. Like here, we can see that marking on the right side. Then, the same marking will be on the left, so now we know that we will change our lane from left to right. Your instructor will help you to understand most of the road marking. Here, we can see that the hatched marking on the left side is about to finish. That means that we would move back to the left lane, as that is the normal driving side. The student tried to do this, but the position was not that good. The student was driving in the middle of the road. That blocked the black car behind, and the driver started to flash the light asking the student to give way. We would make sure that we are not blocking other road users by taking the both sides for our car. Here the student was driving up the hill. Approaching a crossroad, the metal hazard lines are telling us that there is a give-way line. Here, we slowed down, changed to the first gear. The student was using second gear. Then, when started to move again, the car stalled. As the car stalled 3 times, that would be a serio's fault. Always make sure that you are using the correct gear that meets your speed needs and road condition. Now, the student going to make something related to overthinking about one thing on the road. The examiner asked the student to take the next road on the left. The student saw the bus and missed the left turn. Then, the examiner told the student that we will make a left turn after the bus stop. But the student was thinking about the bus and changed the position to the right lane. So the examiner asked to make a U-turn, but the student took the right side of the central reservation to turn right. They should use the left side, as the right side is for incoming traffic. Then, the examiner asked the student to turn right. Then, the student did it again and took the right side to turn right. That reduced the view of the road that we were going to take. And now, we have a car coming from the other side. We would wait in the central reservation until the car clear the entrance. Make sure to use the correct position inside the central reservation, which left, as that will give more clear view and will keep you safe as you leaving space for incoming vehicles. Most of this test mistakes was due to nerves. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.